Mastering English. Unraveling the mysteries of relative pronouns. Hello language learners. Welcome back to another fun-filled session of English grammar. Today we're diving into a really interesting area, relative pronouns. They're like the secret agents of English grammar, helping us link phrases and clauses together. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use them with confidence. Let's kick things off by answering the question, what are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns are a type of pronoun that connects a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. They're used to add extra information about what we're discussing, without having to start a new sentence. Here are the most commonly used relative pronouns in English. 1. Who, used for people. 2. Which, used for things. 3. That, can be used for both people and things. For example, in the sentence, the man who lives next door is a doctor. Who is the relative pronoun that connects the clause, lives next door, to the noun, man. Now we know what relative pronouns are. Let's explore how to use them correctly. Rule 1. The relative pronoun, like who, which, or that, comes immediately after the noun it relates to. For example, the book, which is on the table, is mine. Rule 2. When we are talking about a general thing or people, we use that instead of who or which. For example, I don't like cars that go too fast. Rule 3. When the relative pronoun is the subject of the clause, it can't be omitted. For example, the lady who called yesterday is my aunt. Here, who is the subject of the clause, called yesterday, so it can't be removed. It's crucial to understand the difference between extra information and essential information when using relative pronouns. Extra information, also known as non-defining information, is just additional info, and removing it doesn't change the main meaning of the sentence. We usually use commas to separate this information. For example, my brother, who lives in London, is a musician. The fact that he lives in London is just additional information. Essential information, or defining information, is necessary for the meaning of the sentence. If you remove it, the sentence's meaning will change. We don't use commas here. For example, the woman who gave you the book is my teacher. The fact that she gave you the book is crucial to know who the woman is. And that's a wrap on relative pronouns, folks. They might seem tricky at first, but with some practice, you'll be using them like a pro. Remember, they're your tools for making your sentences more precise and interesting. Keep practicing and you'll soon notice a huge improvement in your English writing and conversation skills. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy grammar journey.